In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a side navigation menu on Wix. This feature is incredibly useful for improving the accessibility and organization of your website. Whether you're managing a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, having a well-structured navigation menu can significantly enhance the user experience. So, let's walk through the process together step by step. We'll start by heading over to Wix and logging into your account. Once you're in, select the website you want to work on from your dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the Add button, which is like your toolkit for customizing your site. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with a variety of options you can add to your website. Next, you'll want to focus on the option marked Menu and Anchor. Anchors are essentially markers that you can place on your site to allow users to jump to specific sections with ease. But in this instance, we're looking to add a navigation menu. So let's dive into that category. You'll see different types of menus available, but for this project, we're interested in the vertical menus. The vertical menu is a fantastic choice, especially if you're aiming for a sidebar layout that doesn't require your menu to stretch across the top of the page. This format works well for mobile responsiveness and user navigation when dealing with multiple categories or sections. Once you've clicked on Vertical Menus, it's time to drag and drop that menu into the desired location on your website layout. Take a moment to think about where you'd like this menu to appear. Typically, side menus are placed on the left side of the page, but depending on your site's design, placing it on the right might suit your needs better. Simply click on the vertical menu and, while holding down your mouse, drag it to the position where you'd like it to appear. When you've found just the right spot, release the mouse button to drop it in place. At this juncture, you can customize the design of your menu to fit the aesthetic of your site. Click on the menu and look for the design options in the menu settings. There, you'll be able to adjust the font, color, size, and more, ensuring your menu doesn't just function well, but also looks cohesive with your overall site theme. Now that you have the vertical menu in place, you'll likely want to link menu items to specific pages or sections. You can do this by clicking on each menu item and selecting the pages or anchor points that they should navigate to. And there you have it. With your side navigation menu set up, you're now ready to offer your users a smooth and seamless way to navigate your website. Remember, the design and the functionality go hand in hand to create an engaging user experience. Happy editing!